We're in the Cruisemaster Towing Performance Centre today, and we've got something pretty special to look at. We've been fitting Stedi lights for our remote area testing vehicles for a few years, and in here, this is something pretty special. It looks like you've got a high-end computer or something in here because this packaging's insane. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. All right, so it's a set of spotlights in here. These are the new Stedi Type X Pros. So remove all that, bit of packaging. So we've got some light protectors there, and here's the business end of it. This is their new light. So it's got some insane amount of power. These are the new Oslon high flux LEDs. I believe there's 37 in there. And this is actually a combo beam, so they don't do a flood and a spot, it's the singular light, and it can do about 1,150 meters. For comparison point of view, the old one over there, that can only do about 838, so substantially further distance from this light. Similar construction, looks like it's still an aluminium die-cast housing. A bit narrower, I think, as well, so a bit more space on the bull bar. Other things that are in here, this is the new mounting bracket. So the old one was stainless steel with some vibration isolators on it. This is a high-pressure die-cast aluminium, and looks like they've done quite a bit of design work on that. It's pretty chunky. I don't think that's going to fall off in a hurry. What else have we got in here? So in here is the electrical side of things. So one of the great things about Stedi is they supply a Lume with the lights, and this is a particularly high current one as well. Uses decent Deutsch plugs on the end of it, and there's I think a 60 amp high current relay in there as well. So serious bit of gear. And then in this one, that's just all the mounting fasteners. So I believe they use all stainless fasteners for this, and that means they're not going to rust. So that's going to be good if going on the beach and stuff like that. Now, on the front of these lights, they come with a grey ring on them and supplied in the box. You get a separate orange one. That's great for us. That's the company colours. That's going to look sweet on the front of the vehicle. They also do a bunch of different rings as well that you can buy online. I think there's blues and greens and reds and all that type of stuff online. So you can customise them to your vehicle. The Stedi team are pretty proud about these, and they reckon they're pretty full on the amount of light that comes out of them. So we're going to chuck them on the car, and a bit later we'll check back on the boys once they've installed them. The guys have now hooked in the Stedi Type X Pros on the Land Cruiser. They look pretty bright so far, and even the headlamps are looking dull. And we're going to give these a bit of a go now out on the tracks and see what they're like. I'm keen to see how they go. Now, at the Cruisemaster Towing Performance Centre, we've got access to the whole Stedi range, including the new Type X Pros. So if you want to upgrade the lighting on your vehicle, give the team here a call and we'll be able to help you out.